To install and activate Microsoft 10 Pro or Home, you need some requirements. First of all, you need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB capacity to make a bootable USB that you will be using for the installation. Secondly, a stable internet connection. To ensure error-free activation of your new operating system, we always recommend to perform a clean installation. How to create a bootable USB drive. Open Windows 10 download page in your browser and click the Download Tool Now button. Run the tool. Click Accept to agree with the license's terms. You will be asked, what do you want to do? Select Create Installation Media for another PC, as shown below, then click Next. This tool will turn any USB flash drive into a bootable Windows 10 installer. Select Language, Architecture, and Edition, or check the box indicating, use the recommended option for this PC. Select which media you want to use. USB flash drive. Insert a blank USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Any content on the flash drive will be deleted. Do you want to know how to use the bootable USB drive to install Windows? Check the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you comment below.